Hi there, my name is Arjo and I'm a process automation engineer. Today I want to show you this project I'm working, which is an CRM for job applications. This is perfect for HR departments or recruitment agencies who want to automate the back and forth process between the recruiter and the applicants. So the main problem that this CRM and automation is solving is that it automates the back and forth when it comes to the scheduling of appointments, the scheduling of interviews, the scheduling of tasks, or the stages that you want the applicant to go through. So this is made in Airtable. As you can see here, this is the sort of the database of all the applicants, the sample applicants that have applied through the CRM. And this is the main view where you see the applicant cards in the stages of each applicant. So you have the application stage, the reviewed stage, the first interview, waiting for decision, and the hires. Of course, we can customize this tailored to what you need specifically for your agency or for your company. But I just want to show you how this works. This Airtable is connected to Calendly, and the Airtable is also connected to a Gmail. So we will be using Gmail to send emails to invite the applicants to make an appointment for their first interview. Calendly is connected to Airtable, so then to update the CRM, which applicants have already sent the interviews, what time, and the interview link, so that the recruiter can simply look at this view here and will be easily to organize and sort all the other applicants. So let's do a complete run through of what I built here. So first you'll have this form here. This will serve as the job application form. So this can be embedded into your website. It can also be customized to make it look better, to make it more aligned with your brand, with your company's brand. But essentially, you have these basic fields here where you'll be getting the name of the applicant, the contact information, the position they're applying for, some text here, why they want to work with you, and of course, to attach the resume or maybe their portfolio, a link to their portfolio. Some applicants also want a short video, for example, instead of a short video explaining why they want to work with the company instead of probably some text. So we can add that. They can upload that video here. They can also choose to upload other files, maybe some certificates or a photo. So as I submit this application, okay, as you can see, this card now is created and goes here in the application tab. So then now the recruiter looks at this page, will look at, hey, there's a new application. They open the application, they can review the files, they can input more information, and more importantly, they can review the uploaded documents. Once the documents have been reviewed, you can sort them out, put them here in the review tag. You can continue to review other applications. But once, let's say, you've shortlisted this group, you say, hey, I want this group to schedule their first interview. Well, then you simply have to put them on the first interview column. The applicant will then, because we have the automation in place, will receive an email. And this email looks something like this. Hey, this is your scheduled interview for the position that you're applying for. And this is the calendar link to book your interview. So as they click on that, you will see the available slots the available slots will come. They pick a slot, let's say 10 a.m. Okay. As you can see, the applicant has already scheduled this interview. You can see the interviews now in their calendar, in their Google Calendar, so they'll get automatic reminders about that interview. The calendar, the Google Meets link is already here, so they can easily join. And if we go back to the applicant tracking, as you can see, the details of that interview is already there. Okay, so now the recruiter, the HR recruiter will just will just need to sort out the cards from here, from this view. And if they're ready to input some notes to join the link at the time of the interview, they just have to click this calendar link, click this link here, and then that will lead them to the Google Meets to conduct the interview. And then after, at the end of the meeting, they can put their notes, their interview notes, and they can put their interview score, their recommendation. This is the interview notes, and they can put the interview score, which is here, which is okay. This is a good candidate. Save that and exit, and then good candidate. And then after the first interview, if they like to move forward with this applicant, and maybe they need a senior manager to approve or to conduct a secondary interview, then you can put it on the next stage where we can apply tailored automations that will then send a calendar, an email to the applicant for next steps, or an email to a senior manager to review, to make a decision on this applicant. And so For every stage, we can implement an automation that will make it easier for your recruitment department to organize all their applicants in a very efficient way. One add-on that we can do in this CRM is a AI agent that will read through the CVs, especially for those who are really getting a lot of applicants. What we can do is we can create an AI agent who will then read through certain stages of the application so that the AI will qualify and will review the CVs and the applications for you so that then you can then focus on the shortlisted application, right? So that's one way that we can optimize this, and I can do that add-on for you as well. Another add-on is to connect this with a front-end web app such as Software that then you can use to go through your applicants, right? So if you're interested and you'd like to implement something like this, feel free to contact me in my details below to schedule a discovery call. That's it for now. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.